Hi, I'm Markus from 2OneLab. Last time I showed you how to clean the powders with our sieving system 2CREATE. And the question is how you get the powder out of your 3D printer. And for this we have another cool solution, our 2CLEAN. Our 2CLEAN is a vacuum cleaner which works with pressured air, so you don't need any electricity for it. It's a perfect solution to clean out your 2CREATE. It's a perfect solution for all non-reactive materials like Cobalt-Chromium or stainless steel. You have two possibilities to work with this. First, you just take the pipe and clean out everything from the dust out of the printer. And the second cool feature is we have an integrated cyclone separator, so we connect the pipe with a cyclone separator, and then we can take the green pipe, suck the powder out of the printer, and everything what we sucked out is collected over our cyclone separator with our cool bottles. And then you can take the bottle, put it to the sieving system, and then you're ready to start.